guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get a cool lo-fi synth sound using a Ableton synth called Meld. It's a super fun synth. Let's check it out. Basically, Meld comes with two oscillators. We're going to start with this basic shape here. So say we choose poly 12 and we increase the spread as we play, and we increase the stack and drive. We can start getting a much fuller, thicker sound, and what we can do instead is we can start messing with filters. So we can go with a vowel filter or with a comb, but we're going to stick with the basic SVF filter. Now, to get that lo-fi sound, let's select the second oscillator, and we're going to select rain. And with rain, we'll just hear basically what sounds like rain. Now, if we just solo B, we'll just hear that rain, right? And we've got B on the oscillator here. But we can do stuff like, for example, increase the octave, or decrease, of course, and change the tone. And the rate of rain that comes through. It's quite a lot of rain, isn't it? If we switch off poly there and go mono legato, switch off the stack, we can hear it like that. Let's bring in A again, so we've got them both playing at the same time. Let's go back to poly. And we're going to reduce the volume of A because it's a bit loud. Reduce that rate. Now we can change the shape here slightly. Detune slightly. Add some stack. And just change the amp slowly so we've got a slower attack. Add some tone. Okay, so that's starting to sound good, but where we've got a little bit of a secret sauce here is on this mixing matrix. So then we'll go into the LFOs for track A. You can see you've got this triangle LFO1, you've got LFO for the FX, and you've got a second LFO. And the reason that's useful is this. We can go into the matrix, and then we could say detune with LFO1, LFO FX, or LFO2. LFO2 is much faster than LFO1. So let's just try that out. That detuning gives you kind of that lo-fi effect. And you've got the faster LFO in the second one. We can detune all sorts of stuff. We can detune the spread, the volume, the pan, all sorts of really good stuff. But really what makes it sound great, in my opinion, is an addition of a reverb. So let's just click on the reverb after we play the Meld synth. Yeah, so you've got lots of possibilities there to create your own sounds and go full lo-fi.